Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been getting a lot of questions on people asking me,
oh, when I sleep, I wake up the next morning, my hair is flat or my afro is flat, what should I do when I don't want to pick it every day?
so I am going to show you a trick that I do myself, which for me, I really don't like spending money on unnecessary things that I can do myself or that I can find at home. So for example, there are things that you can do when you want to go to sleep. So for example, maybe you can wrap your hair or wear a do-rag. There are a lot of options you can do. And another option is sleeping on a satin pillowcase. I really didn't want to go to spend money on going to buy a satin pillowcase, so I found the next best option. So this is a fabric that I found here at home. I don't know what
This was useful, but I asked her and she said I can use this because she was planning to, I don't know what she was planning to do with this, but I just found it laying around and I asked her and she said I can use it. So
this is. I don't know which material is this, but it's very soft.
it's very silky. I'm not sure this is silk or satin, but I don't know, maybe it's something, but the material is very soft. If I could like give it to you and like touch it or feel it.
I would, but I can do that. So just in your house, maybe there is something like this just laying around, and you can find a use for everything. And here I have my pillow. So this is just a normal pillow. If you want to, you can remove the pillowcase and or you can just do it how I do. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So basically what you do is just wrap around the fabric around your pillow. So just tuck in the rest of the remaining fabric. So yeah, that's it. The benefits of sleeping on a satin or silk pillowcase, or in my case, my DIY pillowcase. For example, people, if you have an afro or whatever, in the morning, instead of like redoing everything, you can just pick your hair, or just with your hands you can just fix it and go about your day, instead of like spending time again, like combing and detangling and using more hair products and things like that. This is going to save a lot of time and money. And sleeping with this pillowcase is more beneficial. Using this pillowcase is better than sleeping with like a durag or something that you wrap your head with. So I think this is much better, because even if you toss, you turn at night, the pillowcase is still there's not going anywhere, instead of like when you sleep and the durag maybe it slips off and it end up in your hair and things like that. So that's it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'm going to answer. Or if you want me to make a video about something, just comment down below. Bye guys.